Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest work from home jobs. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for inside sales position from Varayam Placements Private Limited. For this position, you must have graduation and also you should have excellent communicational skills. And you must have minimum 6 months of sales experience and you are going to get a salary up to 6 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for junior Android developer position from Kupulgam Recruitment Staffing. For this position, you should have 6 months to 1 year of work experience and also you should have skill sets in Android and mobile application skill sets. And the location will be Coimbatore and work from home also available. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Sunrise Systems is hiring US recruiters. Like the candidates must have 6 months to 6 years of work experience with direct lines for Bangalore location. And if you see the benefits, like direct lines and it will be work from home also available and medical coverage, timely feedback on candidates interview process, recognition awards and cabs are available for both sides free and there will be multiple incentives. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for global HRA position from On-Demand Agility Solutions. For this position, you must have 1 to 3 years of work experience and if you see the job description like onboarding process, issuing of offer letter, exit formalities and leave and attendance maintenance. And the work location will be Powai and Mumbai, currently work from home. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Compunal is hiring US IT and non-IT recruiters. You should have minimum 1 to 6 years of work experience in US staffing. And if you see the skill sets required to eligible for this position, like you must have good IT knowledge, good communication and articulation skills, and also you should have ATS knowledge, and you must have learning attitude, direct or implementation clients working experience, and tax terms like W2 requirements or C2C requirements. These are some skill sets required for you to eligible for this position. And if you see the benefits, like they will provide attractive salary, PF, medical insurance, monthly recurring incentives, and it will be permanent work from home also available, and extensive direct clients exposure. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for functional tester position from Sierra Digital. For this position, you must have 3 years plus work experience and also you should have strong knowledge on software testing concepts and practices and you should be expertise on SDLC, STLC models, test types and testing design techniques. And you please check once rest of the qualifications and experience required. And coming to the shift timing, it will be mid shift, 1:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and the position type will be 6 months contract. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Python developer position for web scraping. It is from GMware. For this position, you must have skills in Beautiful Soup, Scrappy and Selenium. And also you must have 3 years plus work experience in the same field. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Azure Cloud Migration Engineer position from ShorePedge Solutions. For this position, you must have 8 to 12 years of work experience, and also you should have experience in Azure Site Recovery, Azure Migrate, and Microsoft Map Toolkit. And also you should have experience in one or more development and operations tooling like Azure ARM, DSC, and Azure Automation. And you should have primary skills in Jenkins, Puppet, Chef, Terraform, Ansible, and PowerShell. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.